when I started in 2010, a few months after, a colleague came, hey, he has heard there is something called ROS. It doesn't sound so bad. Maybe we should try it out.
Oh, really?
And then,
Okay.
yeah, 4 or 5 years later, ROS was de facto the standard and was used more or less everywhere. My first project was called Grasp. So as the name says, it's about grasping. Focus was on grasping unknown object in clutter. If you want to grasp something, there must be places where you can put fingers around. Of course, you could balance stuff. You could use kind of a strange force from inside. You could use force closure methods, or you could use suction cups. And then the Hobbit project started. This was a project about the service robot, and who was supposed to help elderly people stay longer at home alone, so that they can live independently, but with some support of a robot. So one main goal is, of course, that robots make our life easier. So machines do already a lot of stuff that in the past people had to do, and this is for me going forward, making robots more capable of doing things and further helping mankind. For most of the people, work is just looking at the time, a major part of their life, and I couldn't imagine spending so much time doing something that I do not really want to do. I hear people that say, I would like to win in the lottery, then I could stop working. And then I always thought, if I would win in the lottery, I don't play, but if I would win, it would not make a difference for me, because I like my work and I want to work. It's better to shoot for the sun, fail, and just hit the moon, than being afraid of failing and setting your goals too low.